Hello, this is a tutorial from Killerstorm Studios for Machine vs. Machine Gun. People posted comments about the difficulty of the game, so we created a tutorial to help them out. Hopefully it helps you. Alright, so the first and most important point to clearing a level on Machine vs. Machine Gun is the proper use of the shield. Robots will come in many waves, and the shield must be used properly in order to stop their attacks. To properly use the shield, you need to anticipate the shot from enemy robots' fire. Pay attention to the timing of the robots' fire and block them accordingly. When there is a massive amount of robots firing at you, hold the shield button until the firing sequence is over. The best way to clear a level is to upgrade your weapon whenever possible. The laser and health are needed, but the strength of your gun is first priority. It is also very important to destroy money and health robots whenever they appear. Money is needed to buy upgrades, health, and laser, which are all important in clearing a level. The most efficient way to use the laser is to save it till the stronger robots start to come out. The laser's purpose is to get you out of tight spots and basically clear all the robots from the current field. However, the laser can be used for another purpose. Because the laser is so powerful, it can take out even the boss at one use. Saving the laser to defeat the boss is a great strategy that I use very often. To defeat the boss, you must make sure that you shoot directly at the blue core, which is located at the center of his chest. That's the only way that's gonna die. We added an easy mode for the upcoming update for the users that are having problems with the difficulty. And again, we hope this tutorial helps you out. Thank you.